and welcome to day 15 of our magic book journey. Happy morning to all of you.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
So how is it? How's everyone feeling? How's the
Very
Josh?
nice.
Very nice.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Very high.
Hi, ma'am.
Lovely.
Energetic. Energetic.
बचनी खुशी.
Yes. So now we're going to start our day since we are in the week 3 of our magic book journey. And now we are going to run. So be prepared. All the magical practices are going to take you to a different level if you are with it. So we are going to start every day. If you feel we can start at, if you feel you, so today I started at 5:30. If you want, I can start at 5:25 also, provided all of you are there. So let's see. Yes?
Yes.
That we can start our session. Yeah.
Yeah.
So lovely. So how was the experience yesterday? I want each and every one of you to share today, because we are stepping into a very powerful chapter today, healing your relationships, magically heal your relationships. And today is level 2 in the area of relationships. We have already passed the first level. Today is level 2, which is really powerful. So please just empty yourselves, whatever you're holding on to, and today is we're going to get the access, we're going to get the opportunity of releasing, everything, whatever you have been carrying, maybe since so many years, we have been getting an opportunity to release that today. So yes, who wants to share?
I would like to share.
Yes, Ree.
It was an amazing day yesterday. I mean, I was amazed after the way I'd written thank you for before, only with the intention, and I won't believe everything went as I had written.
Wow.
Even while making the magic board, I mean, small things you can count. I just forgot pencil. I said, oh, meko pencil ke liye utna padega. I just opened the drawer and the pencil was there. Eraser was there. I mean, everything was just like you say na, joining the dots, and the jigsaw puzzle was just going on solving type.
Wow.
You're getting all the pieces, like, it was amazing day. And I mean, all the work I'd written were well finished in time, and I had so much ample of time also. I said, अरे आज तो मैं इतना जल्दी free भी हो गई सब करके.
Wow. Can we see your beautiful face, Reet?
Yeah.
Lovely.
It was really a very nice experience yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I was really glad.
Yes, and loved your vision board. You've included everything beautifully. And so I saw your vision board twice, and it was feeling as if it's speaking. You've really put in your heart and soul into it. It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, anybody else wants to share?
वन्ना जी,
Yes, Hina ji.
Good morning. हाँ, मैंने कल लिखा था कि मैं बहुत इस मॉर्निंग का इंतजार कर रही हूँ शेयरिंग के लिए. हाँ, तो क्या था कि संडे मॉर्निंग मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ और मेरी डॉटर दोनों ने वैक्सीन ली थी. तो संडे नाइट से दोनों को इतना फीवर था, और कल दोपहर तक तो ज़्यादा बढ़ गया दोनों को. फिर डॉक्टर को कॉल किया तो उन्होंने बोला कि वैक्सीन के बाद कोविड पॉजिटिव आता है. तो मैं इतनी टेंशन में आ गई थी. फिर थोड़ी देर मैं अपने आप को एक जगह मैं बैठ गई और डीप ब्रीदिंग किया, और फिर दोनों को मैंने पैरासीटामोल देके सुला दिया. फिर दोपहर में मैंने विजुअलाइज शुरू किया. करीबन 2:30 जैसा था. तो 3:15 तक मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ रूम में से बाहर आई, और मैंने विजुअलाइज किया कि वो दोनों बैक टू नॉर्मल हो गए, रूटीन में आ गई है. वो लोग उनके वर्क पे शुरू हो गए, हम लोग साथ में बैठ के डिनर कर रहे, ये बनाए वो बनाए, सब मैंने विजुलाइज किया। तो 3:15 मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ प्रियंका है, वो रूम में से बाहर आई और अपने आप ही बोलने लगी कि मम्मी जैसे चमत्कार થઈ ગયો। मैं तो શું થયું, व्हाट हैपन? तो कि मैं जैसे वॉशरूम जाने के लिए खड़ी हुई तो कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं था, कि मुझे कोई पेन नहीं था, मुझे कुछ फीवर नहीं था, और कि मैं सो गई तब तो इतना था, मुझे हेडेक इतना था, मैंने बॉडी पेन हो रहा था, तो कि उठी तो कि जब मैंने वैक्सीन लेने गई थी ना, वो फ्रेशनेस थी ना, वही फ्रेशनेस मैं अभी फील कर रही हूँ। और बिलीव नहीं करोगे, उसके बाद तक अब तक टचवुड बाय गॉड ग्रेस दोनों इतने, और मैंने मैं विजुलाइज किया कि दोनों सो रहे थे, तब मैंने मैजिक डस्ट उन लोगों के ऊपर स्प्रिंकल किया। और मैं कैसे बयान करूं कि मैं इतना मैजिक हो सकता है, वो मैंने कल पहली बार रियलाइज किया।
बिल्कुल हो सकता है, आपने रियलाइज किया, अब और मैजिक्स होने वाले हैं।
और 15-20 मिनट में कैसे हो सकता है, वो मैं बिलीव ही नहीं कर सकती। और पूरा
Wow.
फीवर, डॉक्टर को टेस्ट करने को बोल दिया कि आज शाम को आप टेस्ट करवा लो।
Wow.
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू हिना जी
Very
फॉर
nice.
शेयरिंग।
Oh, very nice.
5 मिनट में भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज टाइम इज नॉट लीनियर, टाइम इज इन द वर्टिकल।
और वो मैंने फील किया कि जो विजुअलाइज कर रही थी, तो उस टाइम में मेरी इतनी फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ गई थी, उसमें इन्वॉल्व में इतनी हो गई थी।
यस,
वो मैंने फील किया, और इसका ये नतीजा है। और उन दोनों को भी मैंने पहले वैसे बोला था कि 5 मई को आपको शाम को करना है, पर वो कल तो वो लोग सामने से बोले कि नहीं मम्मी हम तो करेंगे ही करेंगे सेशन।
lovely, lovely. So your daughter, she was also fine?
हाँ, दोनों फाइन है, पर ज्यादा प्रियंका को, मेरी डॉटर इन लोग को ज्यादा तकलीफ थी। तो वो तो एकदम से फ्रेश हो गई, और विश्वा भी फ्रेश है ना, तो वो बने घोड़ा बेच के सो रही है अभी तक।
Very good, very good. Thanks for sharing. Thank you. Lovely. So many magics are happening in everyone's life. I'm so happy. And you'll be blessed with more and more magic. Abhi beginning hui hai. I mean, agar pehle bhi choti choti magics hue hain, now you're going to actually start running. You will actually run. Every area of your life will start running. Not only you, but आपकी life की हर area will start running. So let's begin today's chapter. Anybody else has any sharings? Anybody else? Shikha, would you like to read if your Wi-Fi is proper? Shikha, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'll just check if my Wi-Fi is good.
Yeah, right now your sound is proper. You can try.
So let me start. Let's
Yeah.
see how is it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So day 15,
Happy morning.
Day 15, magically heal your relationships. Let's look at the picture. I'm sorry, there are two parts of the picture. So let's see this part, and then let's go to the next page and let's connect both of them. And then, we all can visualize. We all have become really very powerful in visualizing, and we have become experts in visualizing. So let's visualize this. I'm going to show you again this and the next page. Just look what you're seeing here, and next page, and we're going to go back to the previous page. Yes.
वंदना जी,
फोटो फ्रेम,
Yes.
फोटो फ्रेम है और फोटो फ्रेम में दरार पड़ी हुई दिखाई दे रही है मुझे।
हाँ जी.
and
Yes.
the candle is blown out.
The candle is blown out. Okay.
वो जल नहीं रही है.
बट वो
हाँ,
हाँ,
जल नहीं रही है, पर जली भी बुझ गई है या जलाना है उसे?
जलाना है
जलाना
उसको.
बाकी है,
जलाना बाकी है उसको.
Yes.
और वो बिना जली हुई कैंडल जो स्टैंड पे है, वो स्टैंड का सिंबल हार्ट है।
Yes. I'm so glad you got over it. Yes.
तो उसको वो सपोर्ट कर रही है कैंडल को जलने के लिए, या तो कुछ भी मतलब लाइटन अप होने के लिए।
Okay. Yes. So I would like to add, since we have come to this, that वो heart shape का candle stand है, and why Rhonda ने heart shape के ऊपर ये candle रखा. See, there's so many riddles in this just one picture. Why? Because what I felt is that we should have a, looking at today's chapter, we should have a burning desire to heal the relationship, the emotions that we are holding on to. एक अंदर से एक desire होनी चाहिए, you know, एक बहुत burning desire बोलते हैं ना कि intense desire. So that desire should be there in the heart, so that whatever we are holding, अभी तक हमने जितना भी अपने relationship के area में hold किया है, उसे हम आज release कर सकें. And yes, anybody else, anything to add?
The magic
As a
dust.
fire-
With the gratitude, we can heal the relationship.
Yes, yes.
And there
So
is a
whenever you
fireplace.
magic dust, see the magic dust, but just tell it as gratitude, because the
Okay.
more and more your
Gratitude.
mind will accept, then the more and more magic dust भी जब आप दोगे तो you'll be grateful. Yes.
Gratitude.
Yes. What else?
The table is near the fireplace of the house.
Yes.
So which is, I feel the fire is always there. It should always be there. It should always be lit up in the relationships also.
Yes. Who's this? Can you tell your
Shika.
name?
Shika.
Oh wow. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And also I would like to add, fire has a capacity to transform.
Yes,
अग्नि
absolutely.
की कैपेसिटी होती है ट्रांसफॉर्म करने की, कोई चीज को बदलने की, टू प्योरीफाई एंड टू चेंज समथिंग इनटू गोल्ड.
Gold.
So yes, so our relationships, if we treat them as something which helps us to purify, to helps us to transform, to help us to evolve in the evolution journey, जिसमें हमारी जो लाइफ की जो जर्नी है उसमें हमें इवॉल्व करने के लिए जो भी डिफिकल्ट रिलेशनशिप, स्पेशली डिफिकल्ट रिलेशनशिप्स आर देयर टू मेक अस इवॉल्व, हमारी जर्नी को और मतलब हमारा जो लेसन है उसे लर्न करने में हमें हेल्प करते हैं, especially the difficult relationships, and of course the happy relationships do help us.
Yes,
So
of course, they add.
yes, yes. So when it comes to healing, we generally think of जो चीज बैलेंस में नहीं है उसे ही हम हील करना चाहते हैं. So the difficult relationships. So before we go further, I would request each one of you to bring in that only one, just bring in one most difficult relationship, broken relationship in your life, जो आपको दर्द दे रहे हैं, जो आपको पेन दे रहे हैं. अभी भी जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ आप सुन रहे हो, तो then something is shifting in your body and mind. Just bring in that relationship. And before we go further, let's understand actually relationship है क्या. Okay, before that, how many of you want good news in your life? How many of you? How many of you want? Yes.
I want.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I want. Yes.
I want it.
Yes.
I want
Everybody else? Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
So yes, so if everybody is yes and you're saying I want it, मुझे चाहिए, मेरे लिए चाहिए, I'm so happy that you took the responsibility of saying मैं. नहीं तो कई लोग बोलते हैं सभी को चाहिए. What is सभी को? सभी को is a very confusing word. Always take charge of your own life first. Think of healing your life first. Then only you can heal others. Isn't it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So today we have got the opportunity to heal the relationships we have with ourselves and others, both. So not only relationship बोलने से हमें कुछ लोगों का याद आ रहा है, maybe और हमें ये देखना है कि हम कहाँ पर अटके हुए हैं संबंध के एरिया में. Just focus on that, कहाँ पे अटके हुए हैं. एंड जो हम आज की दुनिया, जो रिलेशनशिप की दुनिया की बात कर रहे हैं, ये बिल्कुल कमाल की दुनिया है. बिकॉज इफ वी आर ह्यूमंस, अगर हम इंसान हैं तो हमारे चारों तरफ इंसान होंगे. वी आर मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल, एंड हम जहाँ रहेंगे, जैसा जो भी कहीं पे भी रहेंगे, हमारे आसपास हमारे परिजन, हमारे संबंधी सब हमारे आसपास होंगे ही, चाहे वो हस्बैंड, वाइफ, किड्स, अगर आप घर पे हो तो आपके बुआ, मासी, एनीबडी, जिनको जिनको आप याद याद कर सकते हो, आज याद करिए अभी इस मोमेंट में। आपके मामा जी या अंकल, आंट, जो भी आपको याद आते हो, आपकी इन
मैम
लॉज,
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
everyone else, can you hear my
Yes,
voice?
we can.
Yes, yes.
So you please check your Wi-Fi. Yes, okay. So जितने भी relationships हैं, उनको relationship मतलब relations उनको याद करिए आप। जो भी, चाहे आपका बेटा हो, बेटी हो, boss, if you are in a job, your boss, your your colleagues, your clients, your students, if you are in a profession, and we are surrounded by humans, पूरी तरह से हम humans से surrounded रहते हैं, और उनसे हमारे रिलेशन कैसे हैं, उनसे हमारे व्यवहार कैसा है, उसे आज हमें देखना है, और पास्ट के रिलेशनशिप्स को भी हमें देखना है, एंड could be anything. So जितने रिलेशनशिप्स है उन्हें आज हमें अपने आंखों के सामने, before we start reading the chapter, just bring in all those relationships and the relation which you have with yourself. Just pause there. What is my relation with myself? What is the relation I have with myself? It's a big question every one of you should ask yourself today. So maybe some relationships are disastrous. उनमें कोई harmony नहीं है. There's no appreciation. And somebody in the past might have told you something and you're still carrying that with you. So all of that is going to come at the surface of your mind today. And if you feel कि नहीं मेरा कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है, you are in a very big misunderstanding. Is anybody over here feeling कि नहीं मेरा किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं है? I'm having good relation with everyone. Anyone over here feeling that?
Yeah, I do feel.
Okay, who's this?
Pooja.
Okay, so now आपको अपने अंदर जाने की जरूरत है. Really, you have to go inside you. A part of you is just trying to avoid to go within. You really have to take charge of yourself and go into it. I'm so glad that you shared it. We all have, from your, so the mind will keep you giving you reasonings. Don't go into those reasonings. I don't want to hear any reasonings. Just go into your childhood from the time, could be anyone could be any house help, maid ke saath kuch ho gaya, ya anyone, and you're still carrying it. Maybe the vegetable vendor, anyone. It's not necessary जो आपकी prime relations है. Anybody walked into your life, you were walking on the road and you felt something, or you banged into that person, और वो चीज आप अभी भी carry कर रहे हो. So as we go through the chapter, something will come up. Don't give reasonings.
Sure.
Just ask yourself. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
And by the end of, you can just share by the end of today's chapter. Also, if you don't get, then we'll have to look into it. But definitely, for sure, if you are a human, some kind of conflict, some kind of abrasion will be there. होगा ही. And supposing आपको 2, 3, 4 लोग आ रहे हैं, then you just, take one person, the easy one today, because it's a very, 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 very deep chapter that we are going into today. And I'm telling you, I have read this chapter so many times, must be 10, 11, 12, 15 times. Yesterday, when I was reading the chapter in the evening, मतलब एक ऐसा relation सामने आया जिसे मैं भूल चुकी थी. I had forgotten about it, and that person is no more in my life. But I had a very difficult problematic relationship with that person in my childhood, which I felt that I have forgiven and I've forgotten, but that person came, the energy of that person came on its own, and I was so glad. And you can't even understand that अगर कोई एक person से अगर आपकी कुछ है, some difference is there, it will affect every area of your life. That's the reason I'm emphasizing everyone to heal this today itself. And I was so glad that that person came. And then when I went to sleep, it was so amazing. After just after, it was surprising part was after doing my magic rock practice, another person came, and as if so many people are telling me that please take me, and today I'm going to work on everyone. And then again I had to do my magic rock practice. So something within deep inside me started surfacing up yesterday. And I have done this practice maybe जब भी मैंने ये चैप्टर पढ़ा था 3-4 बार तो मैंने ये कर लिया है already, working on different people. Still something surfaced up. So I'm sharing this with you all that if you are feeling no, just you have to go inside, because every time you will read the chapter, every time you will hear and read and experience this chapter, you will go deeper and deeper into it. So everyone, please take charge of your life. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं मेरे संबंध सबके साथ बहुत अच्छे हैं, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे को किसी के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. There were many who had shared in the previous session also. I would really want that if they could have also been here, but if just one person who's here, just go into it and just go into it. Maybe, and be attentive as we are reading the chapter, as the reader is reading the chapter. You all are muted. You also read the chapter along with the reader, so that when you are reading, you are actually entering into this world and you're feeling the vibration of every word. Maybe when you are speaking, the vibrations will be different for you. Not maybe, it will be. So just go into it. Yes. And okay, let's continue to read. Yes. If you have,
good morning. If you have a difficult or broken relationship, are suffering from a broken heart, or hold any resentment or blame toward another person for anything, you can change it through gratitude. Gratitude will magically improve any difficult relationship, whether that person is a husband or wife, brother or sister, son or daughter, partner, boss, business client, work, colleague, mother or father-in-law, parent, friend or neighbor. When we are faced with a difficult relationship or a challenging situation in a relationship, in almost all cases, we are not in the least bit grateful for the other person. Instead, we are busy blaming the other person for the problems we have with them. And that means we don't have a shred of gratitude. Blame is never going to make a relationship better. And it's never going to make your life better.
Yes. So this second para is really important. Difficult relationship or a challenging situation in a relationship means that maybe in the past, some relationship, someone has disgraced you, किसी ने आपको insult कर दिया है, किसी ने आपको ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया है जिसके कारण आप अभी भी जब आप याद कर रहे हो तो आपकी body की energies change हो रही है, vibrations change हो रही है, maybe your heartbeat is increasing, and maybe you are getting into that mode again, you're reliving that situation. तो अगर ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, then your body and your mind is actually telling you, because you have stored those memories in your cells, cellular memories. Maybe कुछ आपको right now कोई identify नहीं हो रहा है, but just or you've identified and your body language is changing, which means that you need to heal it. It's like, I'll give you an example. Supposing you are walking on the road and there are बहुत सारे गड्ढे हैं रास्ते में, और आप कुछ मतलब आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया, और कुछ ऐसे गड्ढे हैं जो बहुत डीप है और आप उसमें गिर जाते हो, तो you either you bruise yourself, या आपको कुछ चोट लग जाती है, या फिर ऐसा कुछ bones fracture हो जाता है, या anything happens. So today is the opportunity to heal वो गड्ढों को जो हमने ही create किए हैं अपनी life में, उन्हें भरने का chance आज हमें मिला है. And take this opportunity to your fullest. Maybe the universe will test you, will give you certain things, some more challenges, but you have to cross those challenges and work on your relationships today itself. I'll give you another example. Supposing आपके घर में एक चूहा मर गया है, and the smell is coming and koi mehman aaya, somebody walks in, and would you have to tell to that person कि नहीं घर में चूहा मरा है? Would you have to tell? और वो उन्हें अपने आप पता चल जाएगा? Yes, no.
अपने आप पता चल जाएगा.
Yes, because उसकी बदबू उसकी इतनी strong, इतनी powerful होती है कि you actually have to do something about it. Like that, हमारे body में इतने सारे चूहे हैं जिन्हें हमें निकालना है. Dead rats are there जिन्हें हमें निकालना है. उस सड़न से, उस बदबू से, so many things are happening. So many you can call a disease. Maybe you are going through a knee pain, you're going through a lower back pain, you're going through a shoulder pain, cervical issues, vertigo, anything is happening because you're holding on to that thing still. It's like that cancer which you need to take out and heal. Otherwise, it's going to eat you up. It's going to eat you up. And some of you must have been experiencing this. I have experienced this myself. That's why I can really share with you all. So, aaj hame, yes.
I agree to this. I have been working on myself for this, and it really improved my relationships with the people I had difficulties in.
Good, good.
Really works, and it actually, as you said, the issues, the physical health issues are related to these.
Yes, and they are related. Even a smallest pain as a wrist pain or an elbow pain has an emotional thing attached to it, has an emotional energy attached to it. So we have to, and we, मतलब the connection cannot be developed. मतलब आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो कि आपने अपनी relationship अपने brother-in-law, आपने son के साथ heal किया, and your relationship with your brother-in-law also improved. How is it possible? I don't know, but it is possible. It just is possible. So you have to just feel it. Since we have got the opportunity and we are in this chapter today, and I'm seeing that not all of you are there in the chapter. So jinka time aa gaya hai, they are there. They are there. Some of you are still missing. So just take this opportunity of healing. वो जितने भी डेड रैट्स है, जितने भी मरे हुए चूहे हैं, उन्हें आज हमें निकालना है. उनकी बदबू को हमें अपने आप से, अपनी बॉडी से, अपनी माइंड से बिल्कुल आज निकाल के फेंकना है. So that we get the smell of lovely rose in our body and mind. पूरे गुलाब ही गुलाब खिलने लगेंगे आपकी जिंदगी में. Just be with it. So whatever, so generally we have seen कि अगर हमारे पास कुछ किसी के साथ कुछ हो गया, कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया, कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई और हमने शायद पहल की और हमने ये सोचा कि I will go and talk to that person and I'm going to say sorry, or maybe I'm going to forgive that person. I know forgiveness is a very, very hard thing, but just we're going to try to do it. I'm not telling you to forgive, but I'm telling you to just heal yourself. And if you can forgive, it's very good. So when you go to that person and you want to talk to that person, then actually what happens is, generally what happens is, again wo usme that argument mode mein, you did it this way because then you did because I did it. And agar bole bhi nahi to, just to avoid that situation, we keep it in our mind. It's quite possible. So then the relationship becomes more bitter. और ज्यादा bitter हो जाता है कि what is happening, blame keeps on happening, you keep on blaming the other person. So now let's take charge of ourselves. And why are we taking charge of ourselves? Because I want to heal my life, I want to heal my body, I want to heal myself to make my life better. Please continue.
In fact, the more you blame, the worse the relationship gets, and the worse your life gets. Whether it's a current relationship or a past relationship, if you harbor bad feelings towards another person, practicing gratitude will eliminate those feelings. Why would you want to remove your bad feelings about another person? Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Gautam Buddha, circa 563 BC to 483 BC, founder of Buddhism.
Yes.
Yeah.
So whether it's a current relationship or a past relationship, कोई बचपन के ऐसा कुछ याद आ रहा है, कुछ ऐसे रिलेशन थे, कुछ ऐसा कुछ हो गया था जिसमें आप hooked हो गए हो, you know, you're hooked into that, and because of which maybe you've forgotten today, and because of which आपकी जो current relationship है उसमें भी effect आ रहा है, because आपने अपनी energies को, आपकी frequency को, आपकी body की vibration change हो गई है, because you're holding that. Your body is holding, your cells are holding, your muscles are holding, your bones are holding. It affects every part of your body. If it's affecting your cells, it's affecting each and every part of your body, your organs. You're having some kind of issues with your liver, you're having some kind of issues with your any of your glands, could be your thyroid gland, could be anything. If you're having some kind of issues that you don't know, you know, somehow कोई भी कुछ भी होता है आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है, so you're holding on to something, उसे आज निकाल के बाहर फेंकना है. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal. आपने अंगारों, जलते हुए अंगारों को देखा होगा. So just feel that अगर आपने किसी के प्रति कुछ hold करके रखा है, anger hold करके रखा है, then actually you are burning yourself, nobody else. उस person ने आपको जो भी बोला वो हो गया, पूरा हो गया, that person is living his or her life, but आप उसे अभी तक hold कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप को every moment, every second you are burning yourself. So what would you like to do? Everyone, what would you like to do?
उसको निकाल फेंकना है.
Yes,
Release
else?
it.
Yes,
Release it.
Yes.
and उसके ऊपर आज पानी डालना है ताकि वो बुझ जाए.
ताकि वो
जाए.
ठंडा हो जाए.
Free yourself.
Yes. So just think and bring it to the surface just now, because अगर आप identify नहीं कर पाओगे तो आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे. Then it's better that you don't hear only. You really have to identify that. So the poison which you are holding, आज हमें उसे बिल्कुल निकालना है, बिल्कुल निकाल के फेंकना है बाहर. With an intention that you are healing yourself also, and you are healing the other person also. Maybe you don't know that the other person might also be going through the same experience that you are going through. So the intention is, if the intention is that I want to free myself and the other person from whatever I have created between both of us. This is also one more step. Okay, so वो freedom आज लानी है अपनी life में. Please continue.
Bad feelings about another person burn your life, but gratitude will eliminate them. For example, if you have an ex-partner who is connected to you through your children and the relationship isn't good, look at your children's faces and realize that they wouldn't be alive if it wasn't your ex-partner. Your children's lives are one of the most precious gifts you have. Look at your children and give thanks to your ex-partner for their lives every single day, as well as bringing peace and harmony to the relationship. Through your example, you will be teaching your children the greatest tool for their life, gratitude.
Yes, so it's written over here, if you have an ex-partner, so you can just think of your spouse, अपनी wife, अपने husband के बारे में भी आप सोच सकते हो. Some maybe if you feel that your husband doesn't give time, he's not loving and caring, and always scolding on small things, always getting angry or irritable on small things, and you don't know what is happening. Without any reason, all this is happening. So if you are just look into your life, even if somebody, if a husband is having an extramarital affair, and you will be surprised that it is because of The wife only, the husband, I know few people who have actually gone through, and they have, they actually have understood that it was they themselves who put their husband into this extramarital affair because of the belief they were carrying since childhood, because of the belief they had for men. So today, let's look into your lives. You can just see and identify. I don't know what is happening in each one's life, so just think. I'm giving you these examples so that you can identify. So if you have a husband who's not loving, caring, and you don't know what is happening, you're giving your best, but still the your husband is not happy with you. So then look into your life. The circle has been started from you only. If you are continuously complaining that you are not giving time, you're not giving time to me, you just have time for your business, you don't have time for me, for the kids, you're not seeing how the kids are growing, you're not looking into their problems, what are you doing? Because you are so how the law of attraction is working. Every time if you're saying that the law of attraction is bringing more and more situations like that in your life. So just now pause, press the pause button, just stop yourself there and there, because you have started the circle. Not nobody else. Your husband is doing whatever you are telling him to do, because your energies are going. Of course it must have started, you must be saying, but it started, that's why I started thinking. So now you only can stop it. Okay, so because you don't even understand, वो speed breaker आज लगाना ही है. You just have to put the speed breaker, because if not now, then it might come in a bigger way. So if today is the opportunity to just put the speed breaker. Whatever we are doing, it's always starting from us. Whatever is happening in our life is being started from us. The circle has been started from us, and whatever goes around comes around. Apply this in every area of your life. It is really beautiful. And just if you agar fir bhi faith nahi aata hai, so just remember that video which we saw, and you must have experienced in your life. अभी सब कुछ खुलते जाएगा दिमाग में कि हाँ ऐसा भी हुआ था, मैंने ऐसा सोचा था तो वो घूम के ऐसा हुआ था, मैंने 30 साल पहले ऐसा सोचा था, and it's come back in my life. मैंने 20 साल पहले ऐसा कुछ अपने दिमाग में रख लिया था, किसी ने randomly somebody told me and it just hit me, किसी ने मेरा insult कर दिया था and something happened, और उसको मैं अभी तक hold कर रही हूँ, और वही चीज वही situations मेरी life में होती जा रहे हैं. My father told me something and I took it to my heart because I was not in a position to express myself, because in those days we were not able to share our emotions. उसको हम अंदर ही अंदर रखते थे because हमें हमारी कंडीशनिंग, हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग ही ऐसी थी. सो इफ यू आर होल्डिंग दैट, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. अगर वैसा ही अगर आपके हस्बैंड में भी वही क्वालिटीज है, योर सन इज आल्सो हैविंग दो सेम क्वालिटीज, बिकॉज यू डिडंट एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड यू आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू इट. So just look into your life today, each one of you, and once you have identified something like this, then today's chapter is going to tell us what are we supposed to do. Please continue.
Or if you are suffering from a broken heart or grief due to a relationship having ended, you can use gratitude's magical power to transform your pain. Gratitude magically transforms emotional pain into healing and happiness faster than anything else. And the story of my parents is a perfect example of that.
Yes, so before I actually read this chapter and came to this book, came to this magical world, I had tried a lot of things, a lot of things. Of course, they used to make a difference. They used to create a difference, but this is the icing, the cherry on the cake. This gratitude, this beautiful, powerful, magical emotion, whatever we are doing in the entire book, following all the magical practices, one by one, day by day, this actually has created a major shift in my life. So my invitation to all of you is that don't miss today's magical practice. Go as deep as you can. पर just work on one person today. Today we are going to work on one person. अगर बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं, तो just write the names of those people. Then you can, you know, whenever you feel you can. But before that, before you go to the next person, just be with that one person till you feel कि उनको याद करने के बाद में आपको कुछ भी bitterness नहीं आ रही है. You feeling as happy as you are with yourself. So let's read the story of her parents, Rhonda Byrne's parents. Yes. My mother and father.
Ma'am, Shikha ji has left.
No, I'm there again. The
Okay.
net was a problem. I'm so sorry
Okay.
about it.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. My mother and father fell in love with each other virtually at first sight. From the moment they met, they were truly grateful to be with each other, and they had the most beautiful marriage I have ever seen. When my father died, my mother understandably suffered from enormous grief. After months of suffering, she began to use gratitude's magical power. And despite her immense grief and pain, she looked for things to be grateful for. She began with the past, and she recalled all the wonderful times of happiness she had received through the decades with my father. Then she took the next big step, and she looked for the things to be grateful for in the future. One by one, she found them. She found or remembered things that she had always wanted to do, but didn't have the time to do when my father was alive. And with this courageous step of gratitude, opportunities to fulfill her dreams were magically poured in, and her life became rich with happiness again. The
Yes.
magical power.
Yes. We'll pause here. So it's not necessary to choose if you have, you know, any difficult or broken relationship. So this example is also there, that they had a very loving relationship, Rhonda Byrne's mother and father, and they fell in love with each other virtually at first sight, and they lived their life a loving and happy life. And she's saying that they had the most beautiful marriage I've ever seen. But when the father passed on, the mother was stuck. The mother was stuck because she was not able to move forward, and she was suffering after months of suffering. And then the thought came that she looked for the things that she was grateful for whenever in their beautiful relationship. In that also, when she actually took charge and she actually sat to identify, she began with the past, and some कुछ गड्ढे उन्हें दिखे कि हाँ इस जगह पे मैं ये करना चाहती थी पर मैं ये कर नहीं पाई because I was so dedicated to my husband. I was looking at his things first, and I didn't look into my things, what I wanted to do. And one by one, she found them. And she actually found them, and she remembered. And when she found them, she was grateful for them. She changed her energies again, and she again started feeling that happiness and joy. And all those what she couldn't do that time, she had the opportunity to do because she identified them. First, to identify karna bahut zaruri hai. You know, we especially when it comes to ourselves, especially I feel not in the current generation. The current generation, they are in a way I feel that, you know, we feel that nahi उन लोग अपना ही सोचते हैं, but in a way I feel that they are right. They look for their happiness, and then but we keep on telling them, don't think about yourself, think about others. And this we have done from our childhood, isn't it? All of us, we have looked for the happiness of others. We've always looked, whether it's our husband, our kids, our wife, or our parents. पहले दूसरे लोग आते हैं. I'm not telling you to be selfish. No. Just feel why you're born. You know, what is the purpose of life? If you identify that, you can live your life happily by making yourself happy and making others also happy. But if any point of time you feel you're suppressing your emotions, then it's going to come in your body in some form or the other. And you can do anything, whatever you want, it will not heal. So what her mother did was, she took the courageous step of gratitude for opportunities to fulfill her dreams. And you know, all those opportunities to fulfill her dreams came in her life and her life became rich and happy again. She could have just cried and, be in that sulking mode ki nahi, keep on crying ki what will I do without him? It's not possible for me to stay without him. How can I live my life with the person whom I lived so many years? This thought only just gives a shiver in your body. But then she actually learned the way to live her life by just the power of gratitude, and she got a new life. She got her new direction in her life. So agar life hai, to you have to live happily and joyfully. If life is there, either you have a choice to complain and crib and cry and just want things which are not there in your life, or just live happily and joyfully. The choice is yours. So that's what she did. She took the choice of just being grateful of their relationship. So we are going to read this as in a different example, not in this. So this is, so if anybody has not got a difficult relationship, you can choose this, that where are the stumble blocks where you felt that you wanted to do something for you, for yourself, for your life, something you wanted to do and your parents didn't allow you to do, or maybe after marriage you wanted to do so many things but you couldn't do because there were restrictions in the family, because of the kids, because of your husband, because your husband didn't want you to do, you didn't do it. So like that, just look into your life. Yes. For today's magical practice.
For today's magical practice, you are going to look for a hot coal that is burning your life and literally turn it into gold through gratitude. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether the person is currently in your life or if it's past relationship and the person is no longer in your life. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you're grateful for about the person you've chosen. Think back to the history of the relationship and list the great things about the person or the great things you've received from the relationship. The easiest way to do this is to think back to the way things were before the relationship deteriorated or ended. If the relationship was never good, then think hard about any good qualities in the person because they are there. This magical practice.
We'll pause here. So today you have to sit down and make, so once you've identified that problematic or broken relationship you want to improve, first of all, the desire is there to improve or not. Again, if the thought is coming by me, then don't take it. Don't take it further. If you have really taken the charge of your life because you are healing yourself by taking this thing in your life, and it doesn't matter whether the person is in your life or not, is passed on, is not there in this on this planet, and whether it's a past relationship, anything. Generally, it's always a past one, but see, whatever you all are feeling, whatever is coming in your lives, whatever is just coming to you in front of you, and choose that one important relationship for today. My suggestion is that take an easy one today so that you feel little eased out, because agar bahut zyada problematic relationship hai, don't choose that one now. Okay, so now once you've decided, you're going to sit down and make a written list of 10 things you're grateful for. It happened with me that when I chose that person, and this was, I'm talking of 4 months back, when I chose that person, I was thinking, I don't know what can I be grateful for that person, because itna jada, that negativity was there. So much negativity was there. And then the mind started giving reasonings that मेरी नेगेटिविटी नहीं है इस पर्सन के बारे में, और सब लोग भी ऐसा समझते हैं. Everyone is having a problematic relation with that person. So then I was little comfortable, but no, that was not the intention. That's not the intention. You have to find, because every person has some good qualities. That is for sure. You have to just go into it. एक वो अंदर ही अंदर, मतलब सोना सिर्फ ऊपरी सतह पे नहीं मिलता है, उसे आपको अंदर जाना पड़ता है, अंदर और अंदर जाके वो मिलता है, फिर उसे आग में तपाना पड़ता है, फिर जाके वो सोना बनता है. क्रूड गोल्ड जो मिलता है दैट इज इन द क्रूडेस्ट फॉर्म, जिसको क्रूड गोल्ड बोलते हैं, फिर उसको बर्न करते हैं फायर में एंड देन इट स्टार्ट शाइनिंग. So you have to do that to shine, to have that shining, that making your life gold, making your life gold, and to have that shine in you. So you have to just list all the things that you have received from that person before the relationship started going downhill. Before वो जो conflict आ गया, जो दरार आई, उसके पहले आपके relation कैसे थे. अगर वो भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है, then just think about good qualities that you have heard from others about the person. Could be that you start appreciating the appearance of that person, the personality of the person, the intellect of that person, उनकी भावना नहीं, उनकी intelligence, maybe that person is a very successful businessman. उनकी अच्छाइयों को आप अपने अंदर लेके आइए, उनकी अच्छाइयों को उजागर करना है, उनके good qualities को you have to bring in. You can start with the external look of that person. That person has a beautiful nose and anything. Once you start doing it, 2 3 4 लिखोगे, you will be able to identify, and that's the beauty of this whole exercise. So बहुत सारी good qualities अपने आप आने लगेंगी. Yes, please continue.
This magical practice is not about who is right or wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what someone said or didn't do, you can magically heal the relationship, and you don't need the other person in order to heal it.
Very beautiful. You don't need the other person. You just have to be with yourself and yourself. Yes.
There is gold in every relationship, even the difficult ones, and to bring riches to all your relationships and your life, you have to find the gold. As you dig and discover a nugget of gold, write it down, address the person by name, and express your sentence in gratitude. Name: I am grateful for what? Paul: I am grateful for our time together. While our marriage did end, I learned a lot. I'm so much wiser today, and I use what I learned from our marriage in many of my relationships today.
So Paul is the name of Rhonda Byrne's husband, and she is a divorcee, and she's writing what the feelings, what she had for her husband. Just look, the person who has written this book and who shared with us so many beautiful experiences, she took the step of doing this, and how beautifully she brought in each and everything what was there in their relationship, till their relationship lasted, until they had a happy time together. So just as we go through, just feel, everybody just be attentive. If you're doing anything else, just pause and listen to this. So could be, something will strike in your relationship also. Yes, please continue. And very important for you to write the name of the person. Just address with the name. Name बहुत important है. Okay, please continue.
Paul: I'm very grateful you did to try and make our marriage work, because 10 years of marriage means you did try. 3. Paul: I'm grateful to you for our children. The joy I receive from them every day could not be without you. 4. Paul: I'm grateful to you for the hard work and long hours you put in to support our family. While I was at home taking care of our children, it was a big responsibility to have all of us dependent on you. So thank you. Paul: I'm grateful to you for the precious moments I had with our children as they grew up. I got to see our children talk and walk for the first time, and I know you didn't have the opportunity. Paul: I'm grateful for your support when I went through a difficult time of grief and loss. Paul: I'm grateful to you for the times when I was sick and you did your best to take care of me and children. Paul: I'm grateful for the great times we had, and we did have many. Paul: I'm grateful that you want to continue to be a father to our children. Paul, I'm grateful for your support and the time you want to give to our children. I know they mean as much to you as they do to me. By the time you finished your gratitude list of 10 things, you should feel much better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point we want to reach is where you don't have any bad feelings toward the person anymore, because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings. Every relationship is different, and if need be, you may choose to repeat this magical practice over several days until you reach the point where you don't have any bad feelings toward the person anymore.
Yes.
If you
So we'll pause here. So could be possible that when you're writing, your head will become heavy and you will start crying, or something will happen, because you are in a very, very powerful space. You're in the energetic world. You are in a very powerful space when you're doing this exercise. So the ultimate aim of this exercise is that you are moving closer to your dreams. जो dreams जो आपने लिखे हैं, जिनको आप fulfill करना चाहते हो, जो wishes हैं आपकी life में, if you think it in that way, that though these are stumble blocks जो मैंने hold करके रखा है अभी तक, और जो मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं, it's not affecting me and it's just the other person, I'm sorry, you're mistaken. It's all about you. Of course it is affecting you in some way or the other. अगर आपका ऐसा belief है कि कुछ भी हुआ है तो उसे अंदर ही दबा दो, then it will not surface up. You have to make it surface up today itself, because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings. And most important is that after you have completed and you've written 10 things you are grateful for, you've completed the exercise, and still if you feel maybe next day, just it's a reality check कि आप वापस उसे याद करिए, उन्हें याद करिए, ऐसा situation याद करिए कि that person has come to your house and you're greeting that person as you would greet your daughter or your son or your son-in-law. If just think that way, that am I able to meet that person? Am I able to meet that person and talk to the person as I would meet everyone whom I love? If that is there, then you have released all your feelings. अगर वो feeling नहीं है अभी भी, तो उसे निकालना है. Sit down and write again till the time you feel that you have got no bad feelings towards the person anymore. Yes, please continue.
If you are using gratitude's magical power to improve a current relationship, you will see
this para is really important. You will see the relationship.
You will see the relationship begin to change miraculously before your eyes. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude, but it is the person who receives the benefits in their whole life.
Who uses gratitude, who receives benefits.
But it is the person who uses gratitude who receives the benefits in their whole life.
Yes, so very important that it takes only one person. It's not about the other person, it's just about you. I'm again and again telling you, कई बार दिमाग में आता है कि why me? Why only me? And then you get into that pitiful mode. That self-pity comes, that why it's only me every time? Why not the other person? Yes, no, anybody, do you feel like that anytime?
Yes.
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 I
So,
used to.
yeah. So then just it could be your father, it could be anyone whom you're having a bitter relationship and you're not staying with your father, still you're holding on to something, and it's coming in your son, it's coming in your client, it's coming in your customer. Who knows? It will never stop. This cycle will never stop. So it's better to take it today itself. Okay, so it takes one person to change a relationship through gratitude, but it is the person who uses, it's a bonus that the person who is doing is getting, is who receives the benefits in their whole life. In every area of your life, you will start receiving benefit. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा, आपने अपने father से relationship heal किया and your son is giving you so much what you wanted. The behavior of your son towards you will change. How is that happening? Because you changed. That's why the people around you changed. It's all about you, you, you. Just say to yourself, it's about me, me, me. मुझे change होना है. It's all about me. And then you receive so many bonuses you will receive. And अपने आप the universe will start giving you, because now the universe knows that you've learned that lesson. Yes.
Yeah. If you chose a past relationship where you are not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel peace and happiness fill you. And at the same time, you will see the other current relationships in your life magically improve. In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use this magical practice immediately. You will stop the difficulties before they get any bigger. And instead, you will increase the magic in the relationship.
So yes, so the last para tells us that abhi aapne kiya so kiya, that's fine, that's good, and you keep on doing. But remember, this magical practice in the future also could be possible that, could be possible that when we are in the world of gratitude, in the magical world, aisa situation aayega hi nahi. But we are humans. We are humans. Agar aisa kuch situation wapas aa jaye, some challenging relationship again comes up, or maybe you remember something out of the blue, you remember something. So just you immediately just sit down and write what you are grateful for that person, so that you don't carry it to the next day. You don't carry it to the next day. Just make this as a habit. I remember when I got married, the only thing what my mom told me was that if anything is there between you and your husband, solve it there and there before you go to sleep. Don't go to sleep with the problem, whatever, kuch bhi argument hua hai and you're not liking and you're not talking to your husband, or, don't take it to the next day. Just resolve it there and there before you go to sleep, so that you don't sleep with that thought. And then I used it. I mean, maybe initial few years I really used it, to be honest. And then the thought came, why me only, why me? But I still carried it forward. Not that I completely forgot, but initial few years, so I really, it just kept within me. मतलब मुझे उनकी बातें बिल्कुल याद रह गई थी कि चाहे कुछ भी हो, चाहे रात के 1 बजे 2 बजे, I will say sorry even if it's not my mistake, and I will resolve that. But that was not the right approach that I was doing, because resolving means that दोनों तरफ से होना चाहिए. When it comes to this, which I'm understanding right now, and which is happening very beautifully right now. So earlier, whatever was my understanding, I was following that. So it's always better to resolve things there and there. Don't just walk out of that situation. Don't avoid. Just resolve it there and there, so that your energies are better. Your energies are peaceful. Your energies are happy when you go to sleep. And of course, it becomes happy when we do the magic rock practice. But still, if something you're holding on to, it's better if you can approach that person, if you can call that person. Now we can do video call also. So just heal it there and there. I remember my mother, she used to have anything with the neighbor also, and I still remember, as a kid, I used to see kuch baat ho gayi, kuch argument ho gaya on anything, and she used to go and stand in front of the neighbor. After few hours, she would go and talk to that, make sure that she would talk to the neighbor and come back happily. I have seen that doing, I have seen her doing that. So this is how, whether it's a neighbor, whether it's a building watchman or the driver, you've told something, it's a business in your business, with your clients, with your employees, with your staff, just go and say that I was not in a proper mood, and I did it because I was not in a proper mood. I was going through something and I did that. Because you don't know what the other person is going through. And what you will be going through when you are, when you've told something, sometimes we feel guilty, that why did I say? I shouldn't have said. So then express it. If you can't express it, just write it down. Writing down is the most beautiful way of expression. कई बार होता है कि नहीं हम बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं, so write it down and bring that person as if that person is there in front of you and you're telling. That also is very beautiful, because that is what we are learning. That is how energies move and flow in the energy world, in the magical world. Yes, please continue. Magic practice number 15.
Magic practice number 15. Magically heal your relationships. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Number 2. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. 3. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Write it down in the following way. Name, I am grateful for what? Number 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Shikha, for reading the chapter for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shikha ji.
Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you. Thank you. Read it very beautifully, very peacefully. Lovely. So the what is really important. What I want to emphasize is name of the person and what. Name whatever you're grateful for, and for what, grateful for what. That is really important. Not just I'm grateful to you for the what is really important. And then the magic draw practice, and the first count your blessings, which we have always been doing in the magic draw. So that's it. So we have completed today's beautiful chapter. I again request all of you, अपने जितने भी मरे हुए चूहे हैं उन्हें आज निकालना है, उस बदबू को निकालना है, ताकि हमें एक अलग सी महक आ सके. The महक, the fragrance of beautiful roses will start coming from us if we can just throw away all the pain, the suffering that we have been going through. So yes, everyone, anybody has any questions?
I just wanted to know, can I back to back, like I'm sitting peacefully and just heal one relation, then take because when we were talking, there were so many names came in, and I made a note of that. So is it okay if I sit today only and just go on healing all the relationship?
No, Reed. Just do what the chapter is telling us to do. There is a reason. It has been researched, and it has been
okay.
And according to the law of psychology, maybe you will not be able to give justice to that assignment. You will not be able to do justice. Whenever you choose one person, then because maybe you might be overwhelmed too much and you won't be able to handle yourself also. So better that you just choose one relationship today, work on it, and then go to the next one. Make a note. Very good. You have made a note of everything. One you can pick up every day. So supposing you feel that you have enough time tomorrow, day after, whenever, just choose one in a day. It's always better. Or maybe it could also happen that एक relationship जो बहुत ज़्यादा, you feel that you want to choose, and you intuitively will be guided into it. If you feel you have chosen that, maybe the other relationship will heal on their own. So that could also be possible. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for asking me. Thank you so much. Yes.
How do you do?
Sorry?
How do you do?
I didn't understand your question.
How you are doing this?
So that's what the way the chapter is telling us, na? वैसे ही I have done. And yesterday, as I mentioned, there were 3-4 people, suddenly they came up, and all these months मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है. But when the right time comes, it happens. So today I'm going to choose just that one person. Just that one person जिनके कारण I am, अभी भी when I remember, when I step into that blame mode, because of you this happened, because of you this happened. So many things start coming. So I'm going to choose that one person today, and I'm going to work on that person. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So Chandrika, thank you for asking this question. So my suggestion is just do choose that one person. Did you do this in the previous sessions? Did you choose
Yes,
that one person?
yes.
और जिनका आपने चूज किया था उनके बारे में अभी योर थॉट्स हैव हील्ड कंप्लीटली, अभी आप उनको याद कर रहे हो दिस मोमेंट, देन यू नॉट हैविंग एनी बैड फीलिंग्स अबाउट दैट पर्सन कि अभी भी आ रहा है?
Not so bad feeling, but it's improving.
No, so then don't fool yourself like that. Don't say improving, पूरा improve हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, so just choose, he'll take that person only again. Or if you have been
Okay.
working उस समय से अभी तक, have you been working on that person? लिखना.
Yes, yes. Today morning also it came again and again. So I was
Okay.
wondering कि जो मैं सोचा था वही chapter है, वही.
हाँ, lovely. So then it's a cue from the universe to again start, sit and do that practice on the same person. Okay.
I was writing my gratitude points that time I was trying to write about them, but I couldn't make it. So I feel कि नहीं, still so many things are there inside me. So I have to clear out.
Yes. So choose that, sit with that one person and start writing. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. And let me know after a week, how is it?
I want to ask something more, you know, I mean, yesterday, maybe the vibes, I was so happy, so excited, and, you know, I don't know why, but at the end of the day, I was just feeling, you know, how do you calm yourself? You know, I was in such a, I don't know, anxiety or something, you know, then I just wanted to calm myself, like even while sleeping, I don't know, I mean,
How was it after the magic rock practice?
yeah, a magic rock practice, I felt little calm and I was just about to sleep. Again, the thoughts were coming. Again, I sat, holded the rock. Again, I repeated my things. I mean, thank you.
So yeah, so you have to
When I
continue
went off
doing
to
it.
sleep also, even in the sleep, I was thinking I'm very, I don't know, high on energy or what, I don't know it was.
So that was a good feeling or a bad feeling?
I was feeling like I just need to relax my brains.
But was that matlab the high on energy, what you said was a good feeling or a bad feeling? Relax your brains means what? Your mind was continuously thinking something?
Yeah. It was very restless.
So then you have to, so let's see what happens after doing today's practice. What happens
Okay.
is when we are in this energy world, जब हम ये जो हम जिस world में हम घुसे हैं, and we have done all those 13 practices we have done, तो एक वो जो समुद्र मंथन होता है ना, that starts.
Yeah.
Everything starts churning and everything starts surfacing up. So maybe now you are all ready to do today's practice.
Okay.
Yeah, so your mind and body is all ready to do today's practice. That's why something must have happened which you are not knowing, but your subconscious mind knows about it.
Okay.
So then what you're doing today, just do this practice and see what happens today, and we can share tomorrow. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you then. Thank you. Anybody
Thank
else
you
has
so
any
much.
questions?
Ma'am,
Yes.
मुझे ऐसे बोलूं तो एक रिलेशनशिप नहीं मिली है, बट देयर वाज अ सिचुएशन, बहुत पहले एक सिचुएशन है जो शायद अभी भी याद आ जाती है तो रोना आ जाता है, फीलिंग बहुत बैड फीलिंग आ जाती है, मतलब मैं किसको लिखूं ये आई डोंट नो, मतलब
तो सिचुएशन was क्या था, कौन एक पर्सन इन्वॉल्व था जो बहुत पावरफुल था?
नो मतलब 5-6 लोग एक साथ थे, जो ऐसे होता है कि मैं किसको
So you have to
लिखूं.
identify that one person. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. Use the power of your mind. Just identify that one person जिसके कारण आपको लगता है कि because of that person this situation happened.
Okay.
I don't know what the situation is, so if you want, you can share. I can help you out.
I can talk to you one to one.
Right now you don't want to share?
No, I don't want to share.
Okay. ठीक है, but it will be better if you can share right now.
No, ma'am, I won't share that.
Okay, ठीक है. So we
I won't be
can we
able
can
to.
talk when the MIS
For sure. Yeah.
yeah, so we can talk in that meeting. And also I want to tell the MIS participants that supposing you have anything to share like this and which you can't share in front of everyone, then what you can do is you can tell me, I can take you to the breakout room and we can do the sharing there. If you feel that you really, you want to share it,
Yeah, I will.
personal share, so we can go into the breakout room and we can do the sharing there.
Yeah, I would.
Yes.
I will like to do it.
Yeah. Okay. So anybody else has any questions? Okay, so today we will do one thing before we end today's session. So what we are going to do is, I think most of us have, I don't know, most of us, are we in a happy space or we are feeling little heavy remembering those past relationships?
Yeah, I'm feeling too heavy, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do something which will make us lighter before we actually sit for the practice. So some of you must have already done this with me in the law of attraction workshop. So what we are going to do is, okay, I want everyone to, if you can, put your videos on. I'm putting you in the gallery view. If you can put your videos on, everyone. And what we are going to do is that we are going to do a breathing in which we are going to say ha, breathe in, ha once, and then breathe in, ha, then breathe in, ha, till you reach 6 ha. So you have to take a deep breath in and on the exhalation you'll say ha. I'm seeing some people have already started smiling. So yes, we are going to do that, and I want all of you to put your to unmute yourself, everyone. I want to hear everyone. Please, everyone, unmute yourself. Even if you're not put your videos on, unmute yourself. Dr. Hetal, Vartika, Nupur, Rushabh, Manjusha ji, everyone. Okay. And if you have, अगर आपके आसपास भी कोई हो, आपके husband हो, wife हो, उनको भी बुला लीजिए. Just call everyone, your mother, your anyone. Just call them. Okay. So yes. So everyone understood? Breathe in.
Yes.
Ha.
Ha.
Already laughing.
Everyone, don't stop. Come on. Please participate. Don't start participating. Don't everyone, do.
Superb. Good experience.
Breathe in.
भगवान.
So yes. So now you can just shut your eyes just for a few minutes. We will give the healing, the world healing Mother Earth with this happy energy, and may everyone be happy like this, the way we are right now. So please sit with a erect spine and close your eyes. and feel the happy vibrations flowing in your body. Feel the vibrations. You can feel your heartbeats without actually putting your palms there. Your heart is so happy now. And every cell of your body is feeling that happiness. And the smile and the laugh is not stopping only. So just raise your palms and let this wave of happiness flow into Mother Earth. Feel the earth in front of you. Feel all those people who are sad, who are feeling lost, who don't know where to go, who are feeling helpless. Just give your happy energies to them, your spark to them. Let the spark from you flow into each and every person. And in case you feel like laughing, just spread your laughter. Laughter is the best medicine for health. Let us create a shift in the health of Mother Earth by spreading this energy of laughter to each and every person on this earth. Feel every part of your body laughing now. And in case you still feel like laughing, you can laugh. Bring in any one person, second person, third person, or just the entire earth. Just the entire earth. Healing the earth. Every पूरे कण कण में ये happiness फैल गई है. Feel this happiness like a golden light. Feel this happiness like a golden light surrounding the earth. And now what you can see is a ball of golden light. A ball of golden light which has got no end. There is no end to this ball of light. Golden light flowing from this earth to all the parallel universes. Not only in this universe, but all the parallel universes are being filled with this golden light. And there is only golden light of happiness and joy and laughter in front of you. Feel it spreading in your own body. Feel it spreading in your bones, in your muscles, in your tissues, in your organs. Every organ of your body is now radiating with a new happiness, a new joy, a new kindness, a new love, a new compassion. आपके बॉडी की हर एक ऑर्गन्स एक नई एनर्जी के साथ वाइब्रेट कर रही है. एनर्जी ऑफ खुशी, सफलता, कंपैशन, प्रेम, परिशुद्ध प्रेम. Just feel that and be happy. And then touch different parts of your body. Touch your face, touch your eyes, touch your ears, touch your throat, touch the back of your throat, touch your head. Feel your palms touching your chest, your lungs. Just stay there. Just stay there, the right lung and the left lung. Feel the lungs expanding with happiness and joy. Feel the entire lungs becoming bigger and bigger. It is said that the lungs have so much elasticity in them that if they are stretched open, they can just fit 3 tennis courts. इतनी elasticity होती है हमारे lungs में, and they are so powerful. So just feel them becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and happier and happier and happier and joyful and joyful and joyful. Feel how your lungs are responding. You will feel that your chest is suddenly expanded so much. You can feel the expansion in your chest and the strength in your chest. Feel it. Then feel it slowly as you go into your heart, into your liver, into your pancreas. Any organ you want to just stay, just pause there. Feel free to pause there. Feel it moving into your intestines, into your bladder, into your ovaries, in your uterus, into both the kidneys, the right kidney and the left kidney. And smile, keep on smiling. Don't let that smile pause. Feel that smile growing into every organ of your body, into your legs, into your knees. You can touch both the knees and just give your loving, happy, joyful energies to your knees. Feel it in your lower legs. Feel it in the back of the knees. Feel it in your spine. You can touch your lower back, your upper back, your middle back. Just touch every part of your body. And keep on laughing. Keep on laughing, smiling. Don't stop yourself. Don't stop yourself now. Touch your legs, your ankles, your soles of the feet. And feel this happiness all over your body, outside your body. Every part of you is feeling happy now. And slowly bring your awareness back to your breaths. Now the breaths are also so happy. Wow. My inhalations are so long and my exhalations are so long. What have I done? Just being happy. Just being joyful. Just being grateful to the time I gave to myself today. I'm so happy. So happy. Let me share this happiness throughout the day with everyone, whomever I meet today. Today, wherever I go, I'm going to bring happiness, joy, life to everyone and every person, whomever I meet. Just let this be your affirmation for today, for just now, and for tomorrow and day after. Thank you. Thank you so much. So thank you everyone for being a part of this wonderful session. And I request every one of you to take it forward the way the book has told us to do. And let's rise and shine and be happy. Yes.
वन्ना जी,
Yes.
एक चीज मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ सब लोगों के साथ में.
Yeah.
अगर ये जो हमारे मतलब ईच एंड एवरी डे का 3 टेक अवे है, वो पर्सन वाइज अगर गूगल शीट पे हम उसको रखें, मतलब कोई भी ये कर सकता है तो अच्छी बात है. तो जब ये सेशन पूरा है तो ईच एंड एवरी चैप्टर का जो मेन 3 पॉइंट्स हैं सबको याद रहेंगे. दैट विल बी गुड. अभी हम लोग जो हमारे ये ग्रुप में रख रहे हैं ना, उसको गूगल शीट पे ले तो ये ऑलवेज रहेगा सबके साथ में.
Yeah, so anybody would like to do this? If who's tech savvy, अगर किन को कुछ कोई कर सकता है ऐसे?
अपने में से कोई कर सकता है तो अच्छी बात है.
Yeah.
I can do that.
Yeah, okay. Lovely, lovely.
So you want everybody's takeaways to be written there or just one?
ઈશિતા, જેટલા લોકોના લખેલા છે ને એના નામ વાઇઝ અને ડે વાઇઝ એવી તું શીટ બનાવી દેને, બધાના તું એમાં નોટ ડાઉન કરી નાખજે અત્યારે 14 દિવસના.
હા, okay.
And where will it be shared? Where will it be shared?
I can share the link on our group itself.
Okay, now Google Sheet, matlab, what is that? I didn't understand.
So basically our emails, what we have, the Gmail or anything.
Okay,
so uske sath we have like the way we have Drive, the similar way we have Word file and Google Sheets and like that. So I can share it on the Word file. I will make a Word file in the Google Sheet.
And you have to email to everyone?
No, I can just share the link on our group.
Achha,
and
okay,
then you will have a pop on which email ID you want to choose, like that.
Okay, and is there just a thought game? Is there a possibility that it goes into the cloud, Google Cloud?
I guess it is saved there only. I don't know.
It is there only. It is saved in the cloud.
Mostly it's there only. It's on
okay,
Google
very
Cloud
good, very good. So then it's going to the universe. Very good. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ishu.
So, yes, thank you.
Mami.
Thank you so much for
Yes.
taking it us and taking this initiative to do it. Very good.
Yes.
And thank you,
Thank
Bharatji,
you.
for bringing this thought. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bharatji, and thank you, Ishita.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lovely,
Thank you.
lovely. So then we meet tomorrow with a new sharing, a new magic, and not only one magic, but many, many magics in our life. And everybody's vision board is ready. If you haven't, don't keep quiet. If you haven't, then please do it today and share it.
Vandana ji, I'll remake it. I don't want to stick pictures on that.
So
So I'm
whatever.
collecting.
Yeah, so
Yeah, because I'm
remake
not
it.
comfortable.
Yeah, remake it. If you're remaking it, just remember the points which were said, especially the house ka thing, you know, whatever you want in your
I've already
house.
worked on it.
Yeah, very good, very good. So yes, so everybody, vision board, if you feel it's not necessary, it's a very, very important and powerful tool. Please make it so that you can
I
keep
would
on
like to share-
visualizing.
Vanna ji.
I would like to share one small thing, and then can we conclude? Just one small thing.
Yeah.
Like yesterday we wrote, thank you for the great news coming to me today. My son was having problem in the night. Before sleeping, he would pass urine for the past 10 days. He would pass urine around 4 to 5 times continuously. Like he couldn't sleep. And the doctor told it is normal during these days because of the heat, and he's not drinking enough water. But still, to clear the doubt, we take homeopathy. So he told, to clear the doubt, let us just do a urine test, routine urine, and his urine reports were absolutely normal. So
Good.
I was just like,
Great.
this is a great news.
Great.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Awesome,
So thank you.
Thank you so
Vanna
much.
जी,
Keep on getting good news in your life. Yes,
Yeah,
Hina.
thank you.
हाँ, मैं 2 मिनट लूंगी। पहले तो टाइम हो गया तो मैं तो सोचा कल बोलूँ कि नहीं, पर मैं कल पे नहीं जाऊंगी, आज ही मैं बोलना चाहूंगी।
Yes.
मैं कुछ डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ 2 लोगों को। पहले तो मैं आई वांट टू डेडिकेट टू शुक्राना, टू ग्रेटिट्यूड।
Okay.
तेरा जिक्र है या इत्र है, जब जब करती हूँ महकती हूँ, चहकती हूँ महकती हूँ, शोलों की तरह मस्तियों में उछलती हूँ, मचलती हूँ, निखरती हूँ, तेरा जिक्र है या इत्र है, जब भी करती हूँ महकती हूँ। डेडिकेट टू शुक्राना।
Wow.
और दूसरा वन्ना जी, मैं आपको डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ। एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाएंगे, फूल ही फूल राहों में खिल जाएंगे, मैंने सोचा न था जिंदगी इतनी होगी हंसी, झूमेगा आसमां, गाएगी ये जमीन, मैंने सोचा न था एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाएंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you,
Beautiful,
Hina.
Hina ji.
Thank you.
ब्यूटीफुल।
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, Vanna ji.
Thank you.
Ma'am, just one thing.
लव यू वन्ना जी, लव यू।
Love you all, and मैंने भी सोचा न था कि हम सब ऐसे मिलेंगे। It was so beautiful.
Ma'am, I just want to add
Thank you
something.
so much.
I love this song. It is my
Yes.
most favorite song.
It's perfectly matched with Vanna ji. Yes.
Vanna ji.
Yes, very nice choice. Thank you.
Thank you,
Hina ji.
Thank you, Hina ji. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, Hina ji, for adding this happy note.
आफ्टर
our happiness.
कोरोना हम जो अहमदाबाद वाले हैं ने वो बम्बई आएंगे, अब बम्बई वाले अहमदाबाद आएंगे। हम
Sure.
Yes.
मैं आ जाऊंगी मीना जी आपके घर पे।
और एक अच्छा सा मेडिटेशन करेंगे सब साथ में मिलके।
नहीं
Yes.
मेडिटेशन नहीं,
नहीं,
ओनली
Only
मस्ती एंड पार्टी शार्टी।
बच्चे बन जाएंगे, बच्चे बन के एकदम
यस
डांस करेंगे, सेलिब्रेट करेंगे।
सच्ची।
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Have a blessed day. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Thank
All
you
of
so
us.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you.